Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we're making up some M&M cookies. It's Christmas time, so let's go ahead and get started. In my bowl I have 1 cup of salted butter. If you have unsalted, that's fine. I have 1 cup of light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of white sugar. And I'm just going to beat this up for a couple of minutes, maybe a minute and a half to 2 minutes. And make sure your butter is room temp. So I'm going to beat this up and we'll be back. Okay, I whipped that up for a couple of minutes just until it's nice and light and fluffy. To that we're going to add in 2 slightly beaten eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of cookie nip. Get all that out of there. And if you're not familiar with cookie nip, this is what it is. And if you can't find that, if you have butter flavor extract, that works well. And if not, just go all vanilla, 3 teaspoons of vanilla. But that cookie nip is some good stuff. Really flavors your cookie. And we're just going to get this all mixed in. So I'll just go ahead and work this all in until it's all incorporated. Okay, I got that all mixed up. Nice and creamy. Let me get rid of my whisk here. Cookie dough or butter flying everywhere. Now I'm going to move this out of the way here. I have 3 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. I have 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. That does wonders for your cookies. 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda. And I'm just going to mix this up, and then we'll add this to our wet butter mixture and eggs, and so we'll just whisk, 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 get it all mixed up. Alright. Most of the time I'll just throw it right on top of the dough and whisk it on top. Okay. I'm just going to mix this in. That spoon there. So what I'll do is just stir this a little bit, and then I'm going to add the rest of the flour. Okay, I have my cookie dough partially mixed, and then to that I have my 1 cup of regular M&Ms. I got the Christmas ones, but of course you can use whatever ones you have. And then I have the peanut butter ones. And I have a cup of each in my bowl here. And I have my grandbaby here, my granddaughter. Go ahead and pour those in there. That's a cup of the peanut butter M&Ms and a cup of the regular milk chocolate M&Ms. Alright, these are really delicious cookies, y'all. Thank you. Alright, and the rest that was left in the bag are here. And we're going to use these after the cookies are done cooking, and we'll stud them with those. Okay? So I'm just going to get these mixed in, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got my cookie dough all mixed up with the M&Ms. I got 1 heaping tablespoon, not real heaping, just a little over level, and rolled them up in little balls. And I got my parchment lined baking sheet, and when they're done, we're going to pierce them with some of these M&Ms. And these are, you're going to bake these in a 375 degree oven, and I'll let you know how long these take to bake, because these cookies will look like they're underdone, and it's very, very important that you don't overbake them, because they carry over cook when they come out. So they're going to feel somewhat soft. You may even think these cookies ain't done, but they'll firm up for you. So my oven is preheated, 375, and in the oven they go. Okay, mine baked for 11 minutes. When they come out warm, they're going to look puffy, and you're going to start piercing them with your choice of M&M. Just poke them right down in there. We'll do a few of each. Put many as you want on your cookie. But try to get them in there quick while they're warm so they stick down in there. Some reds. Many as you want. Well, there's some there. There's spots where you ain't going to get them in there because the M&M's in the middle. But you got the idea. These are going to set on the cookie sheet for about, give or take 3 to 5 minutes. And then move them to your cooling rack. But I'm going to finish doing this. And I'm going to get another sheet in the oven. Alright? Okay guys, just an idea. Put your sprinkles back down. Knowing that it's Christmas, even though they're M&M cookies, you can decorate them a little bit. So take one of your cookie balls, and dip it into your sprinkles, the top, just the top. Press it in there, there you go, and set it down. And you can also do them that way and pierce them with a little bit of M&Ms at the end. Just stick them in there however you can. But when you're doing these cookies, you want to work fast when they come out of the oven, because you do want them M&Ms to stick in there. So just another idea. Okay guys, there's the cookies. Mine baked 11 minutes, but ovens vary. If your cookies overbake, you don't want them getting hard. So, and make sure you properly measure your flour by scooping it in with a tablespoon or something, and leveling it off, because if you add too much flour, if you go in and just scooping away and packing your flour cups, you're getting too much flour. So do proper measurement, please. But like I said, mine baked 11 minutes. Yours could take 12 minutes, 10 minutes. But look at there, guys. These beautiful cookies. And the kids love them. Look at there. You can even see that M. But they're great cookies for Christmas. And when you're making them, work fast if you're going to decorate with the M&Ms on top, because that cookie's soft when it comes out, and you want it soft so you can push them M&Ms down in there. Now, you don't have to do the M&Ms on top if you don't want. You can just skip that part. But we like extra M&Ms, and then for the final look of the cookie, it's just more appealing and more tempting. But the kids definitely love them, and I hope you guys give them a try and enjoy them. And the best way to store these is a storage bag. Just a good old gallon storage bag, a couple of them, because they keep the moisture and it keeps the cookies for days nice and fresh. I found out the baggies just work better. But you guys give them a try, and I hope you enjoy, and you guys stay blessed out there. And please hit that subscribe button as always. It's really appreciated. It helps my channel. And until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you later. Bye-bye. Enjoy the cookies.